Imagine this. A farmer cuts his own tree and bends it towards the ground. Somewhere else, sheep are wearing sharp spiked armor. At first glance, it all looks completely crazy. But behind these strange actions lies years of farming wisdom and experience. Today, let's explore some unbelievable farming techniques from around the world that will completely change the way you think about agriculture. Let's start with the papaya tree. In a viral video, a farmer makes a small cut near the base of a young papaya tree and gently bends it at a 30 to 45-degree angle before tying it to a stake. It may look like he's damaging the tree, but the opposite is true. This method directs more of the plant's energy toward the fruit, producing larger, sweeter papayas, while also making the tree more resistant to strong winds. Next comes a surprising watermelon trick. A farmer carefully pokes a tiny hole in the watermelon stem with a toothpick. It sounds strange, but during the rainy season, watermelon plants absorb a lot of water. Too much internal pressure can cause the fruit to crack. That tiny hole helps regulate the pressure, preventing the watermelon from splitting open. Here's another technique that looks like something out of an action movie. In parts of the United States and Canada, some farmers no longer rely on traps to deal with destructive rodents. Instead, they pump gas into the burrows and ignite it. The explosion collapses the tunnels and eliminates the rodents, helping protect valuable crops. Chinese farmers have another clever solution. Before planting rice, they cover the entire field with a special biodegradable paper. Small holes are made in the paper for the seedlings. This blocks sunlight from reaching weeds, helps the soil retain moisture, and after a few weeks, the paper naturally decomposes into organic fertilizer that nourishes the growing plants. Now, let's solve the mystery of the armored sheep. In areas where wolves frequently attack livestock, farmers protect their sheep by fitting them with spiked armor around the neck and back. The spikes make it difficult for predators to grab the sheep by the throat, allowing them to graze safely in open fields. Finally, here's perhaps the strangest farming technique of all. Some peanut farmers actually step on their own plants or gently press them down with heavy objects. It may seem destructive, but this encourages the plants to grow lower and spread wider, producing more branches, more flowers, and ultimately a much larger peanut harvest. As you've seen, what appears to be madness is often backed by generations of practical knowledge. These farmers may not have expensive laboratories, advanced machines, or scientific degrees, but years of working closely with the land have taught them remarkable solutions that continue to impress even agricultural experts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing facts and fascinating stories from around the world.